What should I know before working in historic homes? Before working in a historic home, you need to know that these houses often hide old wiring, lead paint, and outdated plumbing behind their walls. And many local governments require special permits before you can touch anything structural or change the exterior look. Think of an old home like a grandparent who has lived a long life and has a lot of secrets tucked away. These houses were built decades ago, sometimes over 100 years ago, using materials and methods that are not common today, like plaster walls instead of drywall, or knob and tube wiring instead of modern electrical systems. Something most people do not realize is that many historic homes are protected by local preservation boards, which means you cannot just change the windows, siding, or roof without getting approval first, even if you own the house. This process can take weeks or even months, so planning ahead is very important. Another thing that surprises people is that materials like lead paint and asbestos were commonly used before the 1970s, so testing the home before starting any renovation is not just smart, it can be required by law depending on where you live. Always hire someone who has actual experience with older homes, because modern contractors sometimes do not know how to properly preserve original character while still making the home safe. One common mistake people make is assuming a historic home can be renovated just like a newer one, when in reality, many of these projects require specialized materials and techniques to match the original style. A good tip here is to always ask your contractor if they have direct experience with historic properties before hiring them. Another misconception is thinking permits are optional if the work is small, but even minor changes like replacing a window can require approval in a historic district. The best solution is to always check with your local historic preservation office first before starting any project, no matter how small it seems. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobby Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.